guys, thank you for coming with me to Target. I'd like to show you some of their home decor. Let's take a look, guys. So down here we have some of their towels. Okay, I'm liking this pattern. That's $7.99, and the soap dish $4.99. And then here, this must be like a bath set. And then here's the other bath set. Actually, here's the whole set. So we have the mirror sets here. What are these? Oh, this is for paper towel. That's different. There's a shower curtain. Guys, look at this. Brush your teeth. I like these signs. So these are $6.99. This one says lather, rinse, repeat. And look at these, guys. They say I love you. What do you use these for? So $2.99. And then this one says the little hearts. Maybe a little trinket dish for when you take your stuff off. And then these are shower hooks. Those are $9.99. Look at this. I'm loving this set. Very nice. So it says clear jars up on the top. So here we have some pillows and some throw blankets. This is that's king, and it's $79.99 for the blanket. Then you have some throw pillows over here. So we definitely have the boho pattern going on. There's your throw pillows, guys, with the tassels. I'm loving that. So over here you have these wall hanging things that say hello, love. Look at this basket, guys. That basket is absolutely gorgeous. $24.99. Then these are egg holders. So I'm not sure if that belongs on this side. So I'm liking this basket here. That's really nice. And this vase over here is gorgeous. And look at this, guys. Look at that. I'm loving that basket. Let's see how much that is. That's $9.99. See, and I saw something. I saw a jar like this somewhere. $7.99. Then they have like the faux plants. And these are $4.99. They do look so realistic, don't they, guys? So then you have these baskets down here. And some more of these pillows. And these candles over here, beeswax blend. And those are $15.99. Then this is sugar birch. This is an oil diffuser. That's $12.99. Then you have some faux plants over here, guys. Aren't they gorgeous? So you have this wreath over here. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so that's $34.99 for that wreath. And then these wreath hangers, those are $10. And you have your plants and your jars over here in the bottom. I'm loving that. So look at this, Citrus Grove. And that one is $11.99. This one is called Sugar Birch. And that one is $11.99. And this one's called Cedar Magnolia and Cardamom. These are really pretty. Okay, guys, so then you have these kinds. So the scents are the same. Well, this one is called Sugar Birch, Cedar Magnolia. They're just in different, the scents are the same. This one's called Seesaw and Lavender. Look at this one, guys. I'm loving that. That one is fig and this one is redwood. Then you have more candles down here. Absolutely gorgeous. Then if you come over here, you're going to see these mugs. $4.99. I like those. Very nice. Cardamom. $4.99 with the cover. And like I said, I love those. And look at these over here, guys. These are $1.99. No, the stems are $1.99. The jar is $7.99. Well, that was really sneaky. Okay, so accent table is $59.99 for that accent table, guys. And let me see how much that is. That's $20. Okay, then you have some more faux plants down there, and that you have the watering can over here. Oh look, miss you already. Isn't that nice? I like that. And then the other side says hello there. Miss you already. Oh, hello there. Okay, I like that sign. That's $19.99. Then you have the watering can. That's $14.99. As you're coming in, and you get hello, and as you're leaving, you get goodbye. And this one over here says remember to flush. That's funny. So they have this one over here. Okay, you have two of those. Then you have that horse. And those are $79.99, guys. And then you have that one. Look at this one, Bless Our Nest. I like that. I'm not sure. I'm not seeing a price. Then you have this decor piece right here. I'm sorry, that one is $79.99. That one is $74. That one is $74.99. And this one here is $69.99. I'm really liking that. And this is the whole set of the Mandarin hibiscus. Look at that cat. That's nice. I'm loving that jar. Then this one here is Pineapple Citrus Grove. That one is Palm Oasis. And the bottom one is Beach Flower. Yesterday at Walmart, I didn't know what kind of flower that was. Pro tea arrangement. Like, I don't know. I got to go home and research that. Okay, and then this is an arrangement. How much is that arrangement? $25. This arrangement doesn't say, and this is $25. And you have those baskets are $25 to $35. And then I'm not sure if these vases right here, one is $20. Not sure how that's going. So you got some more stuff up here. And look, like I said, look at the pom-poms on these pillows. That's so nice. You have it over there in the blue, and I'm loving that wooden, I don't know if that's a planter for $29.99. So then you have some more flowers over here. Aren't they gorgeous? Okay, so these here, aren't they beautiful? Okay, so this faux plant is $5. Then they have these. I know this is Madame Butterfly. Okay, then you have these with your ferns. But I'm liking them. They look so realistic, guys. Look at that one. So then you have the hydrangeas. I'm telling you, I'm so curious over this Pro Tea. This Pro Tea flower. I'm just so curious over it. I don't think I've ever bought one of these. And then these are what? What are these? This is just a stem. I'm not sure. It just says stem. And like I said, the white hydrangeas. Oh, and look, these are lemons. Those are so pretty. Let me see. I'm not sure. I don't want to pull that out. So then we have some more of the vases up here, guys. And then we have, look at this ladybug. Isn't she pretty? She's all blinged out. That's $10 for her. Wow. Wow. Okay, this is a toucan plant holder. I like that. That's different. That's $35, guys. And then these right here are $10. And look at this one with the parrot. That's $25. And here, this flamingo. Well, I don't know which is the flamingo. This one. I don't know. But this one here is $20. I have these baskets in the lemon tree. The lemon tree is like $20. They must have another size that's $30. And then the baskets are ranging $20 to $25. And the pillow right there is $19.99. The bigger pillows right there are $29.99. And I'm loving those baskets. The baskets are $35. So then you have the serving tray for $25, and then your faux plants over here, they range $24.99. The aloe vera is $14.99. Those faux plants are $39.99, $20 and $25. Thank you so much. Look at this mirror, $39.99. That's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving it. Thank you so much for coming with me to Target. Into the home decor section, and I'll see you in another video.